don't know who would do something like that. But I'm gonna have to take my burr bit. I'm gonna have to go in and do some surgery so I can split this dowel pin. I'm gonna have to get that out and clean up that hole so I can use the dowel pin that's still on my block. Yeah, I don't know why. Half-ass mechanics, man. But that's what it should look like. Well, I thought I got it on video, but got the dowel pin out, cleaned it up, little burrs on the end, so should be ready. So at least I'll have 2 dowel pins now. Yeah, get ready to get these new axle shaft seals in there, and I'm gonna get this old clutch and flywheel out. I mean, it's only like a year old, a year and a half old, but I'm gonna go to stage 2 and get her ready. Alright, after looking, the rear main seal is not leaking, so that's a plus. I'm not replacing that. So stoked. I didn't think I'd get it. What is it? Wednesday? I just ordered this Monday, I believe. I started on the bushing job on this razor, and yeah, it came in. So hopefully I can get my lower control arms finished, and those are looking right. I'm gonna bring the end closer, and we're gonna see if this works. No, just open the bag. So there's no more surprises. I'm just gonna look at this. I'm gonna make sure everything's good. All right, cool. Yep, bushing A. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. That's gonna work. So I'm gonna clean this up, and I get to finish up the lower control arms. Sweet. I'm stoked. Unbox my track bar, see what this is about. Hopefully everything works out on this and there's no surprises. You guys knows how that is though. It's always something. That's what we like right there. Hopefully it's the same thickness to where I can use the original front cross member bolts. This is for my toe hook. Put these on yet. Man, that thing is really sturdy. Ooh, look at that. Man, it's pretty. But I didn't film it putting that in. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, you put that in exactly how you take your front cross member off. The original bolts, they worked. So that was awesome. So that's one thing down. I'm not going to put that on until I get the suspension finished put on, and that'll be after I get the transmission and stuff in.